In this video, I will show you how to change your YouTube name. So I'll be showing you exactly how to change your YouTube channel name, whether you're updating your channel branding or simply want to use a new name. I'll be walking you through where to find your YouTube channel settings and how to update your name so your new channel name appears across your YouTube profile. If this video helps you out today, don't forget to leave a like, comment below and subscribe for more YouTube tutorials, channel tips, creator guides and easy tech tutorials. So to do this, as you can see, we're currently on youtube.com. So you want to come across to YouTube and make sure you're logged into the correct channel that you want to change your YouTube name for. Once that's done, come up to the top right hand corner and click onto your YouTube profile icon. And from this menu that comes up, you want to come and click onto YouTube Studio. Now, once you're in your studio, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto customization. And then what you want to do is scroll down on the channel customization page, make sure you're clicked onto profile, and underneath your channel logo picture, you're going to see the option to choose your channel name. Just to note that changes made to your name and picture are visible only on YouTube and not other Google services, and you can change your name twice in 14 days. So you can see at the moment my channel is called Tech Tutor Step-by-Step Tutorials, but what I'm going to do is just delete this second bit here and leave it set to Tech Tutor. Of course, any changes you do make sure to click the publish button in the top right hand corner. What that's going to do is save your changes, and once that's done, what I'm going to do is click onto view channel, and you will now see that my YouTube channel name has now been updated. So that is how to change YouTube name. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more YouTube and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.